todos me miran porque sé que soy linda, porque todos me admiran. Y todos me miran porque hago lo que pocos se atreverán. Y todos me miran. Algunos con envidia, pero al final, todos me amarán.
Hello my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you my nails because I will be sacrificing 2 of them, but as you can see I have 0 lifting on them, but I do have to sacrifice a few of them to do my PoLyGeL test. Well, I did sacrifice my pointer and my thumb, and this is the little baggie where my stuff came in. Yes, I'm so excited. I will be showing you what I got one more time. I know I showed you on my gift / purchase. This is a solution. It came in a 4 ounce. It has a really nice smell to it. It's like a fruity smell. I have my exotic spatula and brush that came along with this. This is something she was selling. I don't know if she's selling limited time or not, but it ended in April. It came with a little Sun Mini UV LED lamp with these lips to push out the PoLyGeL from the tubes, as you can see. It came with the 014, that is the cover color, almond cover color. It's like it's an almond color. I don't know which one it is, but it's really, really pretty. It comes with 010, which is the natural, no, the pink, the glass pink, sorry, the clear pink. It comes with 013, which is the natural clear. And it comes with the 010, which is the white. I mean 002, sorry, that is the white. I messed up my numbers. So you prepare your nail as you would for any nail service for artificial nails. Right here I'm removing any dead skin or cuticle off my nail with the slanted side of the cuticle pusher. Just scraping it all off, then I dust it off, and then I proceed to push the cuticle back. Then I I file the nail to open lines of adhesion. I dust all the powder off, and then I wipe with the supposedly no lint wipe. I add some of my bonder to the nail. And then I would be I was trying to put the slip solution, but since I haven't used it, and this is my first time, I'm a PoLyGeL virgin as of what I was when I did the video. Hashtag PoLyGeL virgin. I hadn't opened the bottle, but I was trying to pour it out, and I already did. And I'm going to be doing the first try with the natural clear, which is number 013 on my natural nail. I'm just going to leave it at that. I did make a few mistakes, and I'll be telling you what they were along the way. As you can see, it stays in place. Of course, you've seen other videos. It stays in place until you add the solution to it. The solution does not penetrate what the PoLyGeL is. It just helps it mold it. So I'm treating it like if it was acrylic, and I'm walking it and it's working. But my brush dries, and you can see that it starts kind of sticking to my brush and lifting. You do have to wet the brush in the solution when you're starting to feel it dry. Right there, I wiped it off like it was acrylic, but I could have just put it back on and kept molding it onto my nail. That was one of the mistakes I made. But like I said, hashtag PoLyGeL virgin. And then I didn't cover my whole nail, and my mistake here was I should have put it to cure before I added the next little probe, because I just messed up everything I just did, as you can see. But I wanted to record anyways because, you know, it was my first time. It's my first impressions. It didn't feel very difficult to me. It's just a learning process. I feel with practice I'll pick it up pretty good, and I would like to pick it up really good because there's a lot of clients that don't do acrylics. They want gel or they want overlay over their natural nail, and I think this would be the perfect product for that. And as you can see, I'm taking a little while because, like I said, I'm new to this. It's my first time. Another good thing about it is it doesn't have a strong smell. You don't smell up the whole, like me that I work from my house. It doesn't smell up the whole house, so it's pretty good. You see me trying to level it all out. Make sure I didn't get any in the edges. Trying to even it all out. And then I will place it in the Sun Mini LED UV lamp. I wanted to put it right under the camera where you can see it, but the cord it comes with is really short, and I couldn't get it any closer. But I did use it, and I did like the way it worked. I did turn it on 4 times. I don't know how many seconds it is that this one lasts. I'll put it in the description box as soon as I find out. But I did put it 4 times. I did have a little sticky layer with this one because, like I said, PoLyGeL virgin, I didn't know exactly what I was doing. I did a little bit of research, but I didn't remember the time for the curing. So, and then I file, and I use the buffer on the medium fine side of the nail. And since I get a little bit of a stain with the buffer, I end up using the drill for a little bit. It's really easy to file. You don't take forever like you do with acrylic. So if you end up having any little bit of a mountain, it's not really hard to file. And I'm not really drilling that fast. It's just it's ×2 on my edit. I am gonna do, since this is my first video, my first try on PoLyGeL. I do like it. I do want to do another video for a full set once I get to practicing it, so we can all learn together and tell you guys what I've learned and any pointers or tips that have helped me. So here I put some primer on. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I did, so I could put some top coat on top of it. And then that I just cure for 30, I don't know if it's 30 seconds, but whatever. Well, I pushed it for one time on the, I think it's 45 seconds if I remember correctly on this little lamp. But I put it in for once, and there it is. There's my first PoLyGeL overlay. Now I will be working on my pointy finger. There's my pointer. Where is pointer? Where is pointer? I'm just kidding. So again, I remove any signs of dead skin, cuticle off of it, dust it off, and then proceed to push back the cuticle. Then I add some primer. Then I'm going to try it with the nail form. Chun, chun, chun. Okay, I did struggle a little bit with the form. I don't think I placed it right, or the stickiness on my form was like wearing not well. It wasn't working that good, and they usually work really good for me. I guess the one I chose this time, the one I pulled out of my little roll, didn't have really good stickiness to it. So I'm going to be using the natural color one right now. Not the natural clear, but the almond color one. Here, I started right there like I would with the normal acrylic. I don't know, maybe I should have tried starting from lower down, because you'll see I ended up making it really thick, and I had to file it down. But like I said, hashtag PoLyGeL virgin. I know I'm doing that hashtag thing, teenage daughters, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I started to shape it as a square nail, but then I decided to try and do the coffin tip or ballerina. I don't know, you guys. I'm confused in that. Some people say coffin and ballerina are different. I see them the same. But yeah. So you see me right here shaping it. The good thing about this is that it doesn't get hard until you're done, until it's like right. Unlike with acrylic, it's like you're trying to work with it and boom, it gets hard. And you don't get to move it around anymore because it got hard. And even if it ends up getting bulky on this, the filing is so much easier because it goes down quite easy. I do like it for clients. Like, I'm trying to have something else to offer my clients. I feel like it would be good for the ones who are allergic to acrylic. They don't like the heavy feel because these nails feel really, really light. So there I go, curing under the lamp. And this time I cured it before I added the other pearl. I know I'm jumping everywhere, you guys. I really did like this product, and I know that I like that it's not a strong smell. I'm not leaving my acrylic. That's not. No. I like my acrylic because you could do way more with it. But this is a really, really good, alternative to, you know, for the clients who do simple nails, who just want polish on top, who just want to overlay on their natural nail, or like you, like me, you know, like, not like me, like, if you're not good with forms, it's really good because if they want forms, you could actually take your time to shape this, and you don't have to worry about it being drying before time or whatnot, or it running to the sides on the form. I liked it a lot. I really did. I mean, I really love my acrylics a lot because I could do more with it, but this is a really good alternative. I cured it this time for 4 times. I had no tackiness to it this time because I left it a little longer. I filed the sides and the top. I did use a really thick file. I think I probably needed to use something finer, but I ended up anyways using the ceramic drill bit because, like I said, I had made it too thick. Oh, I was a virgin. I'm not a virgin anymore. Now I know better, but I'm learning. It's something new to me, and as I learn, I will be uploading different things with this PoLyGeL to help anybody else out who wants to try it or who's trying it, and we could learn together. If you have any pointers, go ahead and let me know down below. I'm always for positive reinforcements, positive comments, positive help. I'm all for that because we're all learning together. We're all here to help out each other, not to knock each other out. I mean, we don't need to be doing none of that negative stuff. The world is bad enough as it is. So as you can see, I'm filing it. This ceramic bit is I think it's a fine one. It's the only one I have, and I think I ordered it in fine. I really didn't use it till now. I think it's really good for the gel. I think the ceramic bits were meant for gel because I really like the way it worked on the gel more than it does on the acrylic. That's my personal opinion. So I finished filing it down, and once I do, I dust it off, clean it off, and add some top coat. I want to thank you everybody who watches my videos. I really, really appreciate it. I feel that way. It's worth my while that I take my time to do these videos for you guys. God bless you all. I'm really thankful for your support. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see any further videos that I will upload. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notifications and my videos won't get lost in your feed. So I cured it again. That was just for one time, and that's not what the PoLyGeL looks like. My gel elixir had I hadn't noticed it got contaminated with some of the pigments, which is now I'm gonna use it just for pigments. But it looks pretty anyways, you see? You could only actually see it with the light. You can't see it just in a normal light. Just with the flash you can see it. So thanks again for watching. There's my first PoLyGeL nails. I am now no longer a virgin. Thank you all for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. Mwah. God bless you all. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and share. Bye. Love ya.